Hello! Have you had that experience when you're in the middle of a game and your sibling decides to cover your screen with their slimy little hands? Do you wish there was a robot that could do it 24/7? Well, you're in luck. Introducing C-Blocker 2.0. It basically tracks your mouse and then wherever you move it, it moves this robot arm just to cover it and ruin your day. Oh, and the C stands for seeing, of course. Now you might ask, what happened to C-Blocker 1.0? And unfortunately, he's no longer with us, after he uncontrollably disassembled himself and was scrapped for parts. Now this one is not going anywhere, because I reinforced it with popsicle sticks, foam, and tape? Oh shit. So I have a web server running on this Arduino, which receives position commands and uses inverse kinematics to move this arm towards the target. Stop. It's actually pretty simple. I have the script running on my laptop. Oh shit. And it tracks my mouse movements. So whenever I move my mouse, it automatically sends a signal to move the arm. Anyways, let's try it out. Boop. 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 I said boop. You know, it's really a revolutionary invention, this one. It's really gonna help you out with anger management and anger management. You see this graph? This is where all the people are. And just a bit to the right is me. Great work there, buddy. Alright, it's time to revisit my childhood trauma. Here we go. Go up. Yes. Yes. Okay, to the right. Oh shit. Press team. Okay. Level 2. Go. No, don't go up. Slowly. Go. Shut up. Okay, I swear, I'm not a weeb. I just appreciate circles. That's it. Shush. Bro, how am I supposed to go through the level select? Hello? Okay, this one says tutorial. It can't be that bad, right?
Hello and welcome to OS. Let's learn how to play.
Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Whee! It wasn't that bad. Never mind. You know, maybe that was too easy. Let's go for a harder one. Oh shit. Oh shit. God damn it. Oh. You didn't see anything? I didn't change the difficulty. Okay, maximum focus. God damn it. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll probably be doing more stupid contraptions like this, so look out for that. And anyways, bye bye. Bro, I almost forgot the best part. Whenever you try to turn it off, it just hides the off button.